We all struggle with many addictions throughout our lives. What if I told you that there is a quick fix that may help you to overcome these addictions? Before I explain it to you, let me know in the comments section which one of these addictions you are struggling with. Also, I would be interested to know later if the tricks I will soon explain worked for you. Overcoming addiction isn't just about avoiding something harmful, it's about replacing those bad habits with good ones that actually stick. Let's break it down. When you think about addiction, it's easy to imagine it as just a craving or a habit you can't shake. But there's more to it than that. Much like how soreness after a workout is a sign that your muscles are getting stronger, the discomfort you feel when trying to quit an addictive behavior is actually a good sign. Here's why. Every time you engage in a pleasurable activity, whether it's playing video games, scrolling endlessly on social media, or indulging in junk food, you're spiking your dopamine levels. Dopamine is the brain's feel-good chemical, and when it spikes, you feel great. But here's the catch. When you stop, your dopamine doesn't just go back to normal, it drops below your normal levels. This drop makes you feel down, anxious, or even hopeless. Now, this low dopamine state can feel awful, but just like the soreness after a tough workout, it's part of the healing process. This uncomfortable feeling is actually your brain's way of starting to recover. So instead of reaching for another quick fix to get that dopamine spike, what if you did nothing? I know it sounds strange, but doing nothing, taking a break from those dopamine spiking activities, is the best way to let your brain heal. Over time, your dopamine levels will start to normalize, and you'll find that things that used to feel boring, like going for a walk or talking with friends, start to feel enjoyable again. This is your opportunity to build new, healthier habits. Here's another tip that can help if doing nothing feels too tough. It's called the 10-minute trick, and it's a game changer. When you feel the urge to give in to your addiction, tell yourself, "Okay, I'll give in, but in 10 minutes. This simple delay can help you manage those feelings of uncertainty and discomfort. It gives your brain time to relax, knowing that there's a plan in place. If you are interested to read more about the so-called dopamine effect, I highly recommend the book from Dr. Anna Lembke called Dopamine Nation. I'll leave a link to the description box below. Now, after overcoming your addictions, what if I told you that it's actually really easy to become a billionaire? Check out this video next!